ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। राहुग्रस्तदिवाकरेन्दुसदृशो मायासमाच्छादनात् सन्मात्रः करणोपसंहरणतो यो भूत्सुषुप्तः पुमान् प्रागस्वाप्समिति प्रबोधसमये यः प्रत्यभिज्ञायते तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये। In this tika we had seen up to Rahugrasta Divakarendu Sadrisha Tatra Hetu Maya Samachhadanat iti. मायया अनादि तमो रूपया समाच्छादनात्, माया समाच्छादनात्. So by the anadi रूपा तमो रूपा maya, anadi tamo रूपा maya samachhadanat, that which is covered, due to that its nature in the form of illumination of all is not available. Avrita brahmatma swarupatvat uparakt chandrarkavad yathavad anavabhasamanopi sanmatraha न शून्यः क्षणिको वा इत्यभिप्रायः। आवृत ब्रह्मात्म स्वरूपत्वात्. So my Brahma Atma Swarupa is avrita because of Maya. Uparakta means grasta, Rahu grasta, that uparakta means grasta. Grasta chandrarkavat, like during lunar eclipse, how Chandra grahana samay Chandra is covered, or Surya grahana samay Surya is covered, like that chandrarkavat yathavad anavabhasamanopi. Its real nature as is not available, but it is there, sanmatra. As sat it is available. As sat it is available means, like even when the sun, for example, is completely covered, right, during Surya Grahana. So it's not that there is complete darkness. What happens is, we can't see the sun, but there is some sunlight because of which we know that world is still there. You can still distinguish between one object and the other, your hand and leg, all distinctions can be seen. So light is there, but its real swarupa is not known. Yathavad anavabhasamanopi sanmatraha. Like that Atma also sanmatra is there. Na shunyaha na kshanikaha. अथ कथम अवगम्यते सुषुप्तौ सन एव पुमान इति. Then how do we know that in Sushupti this Atma is Sat Swarupa, means there is some such thing? How do we know? Pratyabhignana pramanat ityaha. So in 6 pramanas there is no Pratyabhignan pramana. If somebody will say it is not in 6 pramanas that Vedanta accepts, pratyaksha, anumana, upamana. What is this pratyavijnana pramana? In Vedanta paribhasha, pratyavijnana pramana was put in which category? Pratyavijnana pramana in Vedanta paribhasha, they have kept it in pratyaksha pramana. You should note this, and if possible read that portion again, because pratyavijnana is important. The drashtanta of pratyavijnana in the form of Soyam Devadatta, that Soyam Devadatta Vakya is actually understood in Shabda Pramana. Because whenever Pratyabhijnana Drashtanta is discussed, it is always Soyam Devadatta. And they say Tattvamasi Vakya is like Soyam Devadatta iti Vakyavat. So Soyam Devadatta is generally used as Shabda Pramana. But without somebody telling me Soyam Devadatta, if I on my own understand, oh, Soyam Devadatta, because I understood, then there it is said Pratyaksha. Pratyabhijnana Pramanat. Because the Smriti is there and Pratyaksha is there. So Pratyaksha is where it is kept. Prag Aswapsam iti. Prag Aswapsam iti Prabodha Samaye Asmat प्राक एतावंतम कालम सुखम अहम अस्वाप्सम इति प्रत्यभिज्ञायते. अस्मात् प्राग, प्रायर टू दिस, एतावंतम कालम, अप टू दिस पीरियड, सुखम अहम अस्वाप्सम, आई स्लेप्ट वेरी वेल. इति प्रत्यभिज्ञायते. इन दिस वे देयर इज प्रत्यभिज्ञा. यह एतावंतम कालम सन्मात्रो अभूवम न कमपि विशेषम अज्ञासिषम. यह means the one who etavantam kalam, up to this much time, sanmatro abhuvam, the one who stayed as sanmatra, and na kamapi vishesham ajnasisham, nothing vishesha I knew. Ajnasisham is lung, I think. Lung. Ajnasisham. Aham न अज्ञासिषम. सोहम इदानीम प्रबुद्धः. That I, that me alone is prabuddha, awakened. Viprasrita karana gramataya jagarmi iti. With viprasrita, with all my karanagrama equipments etc. extended. Viprasrita means projected out now. So earlier all upasamharata, now viprasrita. All upasamhar was done, withdrawn, now outward going. Karanagramataya jagarmi iti atma pratyabhijnaya manatvat. Iti atma, in this way atma is pratyabhijnaya mana. Na shunyaha. So in this way atma's pratyabhijna takes place. Atma pratyabhijnaya manatvat. न शून्यः क्षणिको वा इति अभिप्रायः. तस्मै नमः. तस्मा इत्युक्तार्थम मीन्स तस्मै Shri Gurumurtaye Dakshinamurtaye Idam Namaha. Now, this yesterday I was elaborating on Pratyabhijna. So when we wake up, our own anubhava is what? So when we wake up, prag aswapsam, because at that time there was no knowledge. Iti prabodha samaye pratyabhijna. So at the time when I wake up, if I recollect what was there at the time of deep sleep, so I was there. Now which I was there at the time of deep sleep? So it is said that I where Karana Upasamhara had taken place, and it was Sanmatra. So now I have to try to remember how I was Sanmatra in deep sleep. Sanmatra means only as Satta, existence. No Vishesha. So I as man, woman, I as brahmachari, grahastha, vanaprasthi, sannyasi, all those ideas are not there. Where I am, in which desha, which kala, nothing is not. Means if I sleep in the afternoon and if I sleep in the night, I don't have distinction. I am in the afternoon sleep right now, I am in the night sleep, or any other time also if somebody sleeps. There is no bheda. Means there is no idea of kala. There is no idea of desha, where I am sleeping. Who is this I as an individual? That is also not known. But I am there. And that is known as Vishesha only when Buddhi is available. When Buddhi is not there, my Vishesha Bhanam is not there. Samanya Bhanam is there. So I cannot distinguish or I cannot express myself until Buddhi is available. It is like when there is pure consciousness but no Chidabhasa. In the absence of Chidabhasa, expression is, the Vishesha Jnanam is not available. Ghata Jnanam, Pata Jnanam ityadi. Just as when there is pure light and no object, then whether light is there or not, that also we don't know. Like in space, after we cross Earth atmosphere, there is light, same sunlight is there. But because there is no object, everything looks dark. So when they show space shuttle and all going up, after some point, it is all dark. Because no objects are there to reflect that light. So in the same way, when there are no objects or there is no Chidabhasa, then expression of consciousness is not available. In the same way, expression of existence is also not available. Sanmatra Karanopasamharanata. Now, earlier I had explained this Pratyabhijna principle, that I think it will come in the shloka also now. What is Pratyabhijnanam? That when there is some detail about Pratyabhijna anyway coming. So, when I experience Tatkala Vishishta, Taddesha Vishishta Vastu, then I say Saha. So, in that, Tat, Desha, Kala, Avastha, they all are Visheshanas. That's why it is Vishishta Vastu. And when I experience something now, as I am, it will have etad desha kala etc. as visheshanas. But when I do pratyabhijna, then really speaking I am not interested in tatkala vishishta vastu or etat kala vishishta vastu. I am interested in nirvishesh vastu, not vishishta, that which is devoid of visheshanas. So in Sushupti, really speaking, I am nirvishesha. That nirvishesham param brahma I am. Only thing is, because of my identification and attachment, even when I become Vedanta sadhaka, I am not interested in becoming nirvishesha, because I love some vishesha about myself. This is lack of vairagya. So lack of vairagya, we have lot of layers. The real one is that I want to be savishesha. I want to be vishesha. I am special. Vedanta says, if you are special, you will be finite. And if you don't want to be special, nirvishesha, without any visheshana, then only you will be infinite. So we get stuck in becoming vishesha in Jagrat Swapna, in Jagrat also. So this nirvishesha without tatta and without idanta, this is soyam, that is the pratyabhijna. In soyam devadatta. Now in this case, in Sushupti I am nirvishesha, and in Jagrat I am savishesha. So you don't have to remove visheshana from both. In soyam devadatta pratyabhijna, there are visheshanas in saha, in the form of tad desha, tad kala, tad avastha. And ayam has etad desha kala avastha visheshanas. But in case of Sushupti, it is nirvishesha already. So I just have to recollect that I was already nirvishesha. You don't have to remove any visheshanas of Sushupti. All visheshanas are already gone. Only visheshana that is remaining there is anadi tamorupa maya. That is maya samachhadanat part. So that I should eliminate with the understanding, with the knowledge. So this is the special part. The more of pratyabhijna, when the shlokas comes, I will talk about it. So in pratyabhijna, what I arrive at is the nirvishesha, in this case sakshi, which is kutastha jnanam, which is present in Sushupti, which Bauddhas denied. They said there is no such thing, it is shunyam. Okay, this is one aspect. Now another aspect we can think of is the Ananda part in Sushupti. Maya samachhadanat, when it is said, so it remains as sanmatra. In Jagrat and Swapna, also Atma is sanmatra. Atma doesn't become anything more. The Visheshas are there in the form of Upadhi, which is what is said here as Viprasruta Karana Grama. My Antakarana, Bahikarana, they all are going full swing now in Jagrat. So then what happens? There is Avarana in Sushupti. Maya Samachhadanat. So Avarana is there. In addition, in Jagrat, vikshepa is also there. So you have avarana and vikshepa. Agrahanam is there in sushupti. Agrahanam and anyatha grahanam in jagrat and swapna. अन्यथा गृह्णतो स्वप्नः निद्रा तत्वम अजानतः विपर्यासे तयोक्षीणे तुरीयम पदमश्नुते. I think that is how the karika is. And the difference between sushupti and turiya is also pointed out as that in sushupti there is no jnanam, no awareness, and in turiya I know I am, as nirvikalpa. So sushupti is also nirvikalpa because there are no vikalpas, and nirvikalpa samadhi or nirvikalpa avastha, whatever you call, is also nirvikalpa. But in nirvikalpa samadhi I have the understanding that I am nirvikalpa. I hope this much is enough and clear now. Okay. Now we will see the shlokas and some more things will become clear. Shloka tatparyartham aha asyayam ashayah. Shloka tatparya is now being presented. This is the ashaya. Ashaya means intention. यद उच्यते बौद्धैः जगद हेतुत्वेनोपलक्षित ईश्वरः आत्मा नास्ति. What was said by the Buddhas, what is said by the Buddhas, that जगद हेतुत्वेन उपलक्षित ईश्वर आत्मा नास्ति. ईश्वर और आत्मा एस जगद हेतु, the cause of this creation, as upalakshanam. Jagad hetutvena upalakshita Ishvara, there is no such thing. Because they said we don't need Ishvara. Shunyam eva jagataha pragavastha. Prior to Jagat creation, Shunyam alone. Shunyam eva. Avastha iti tad anudya dushayati. Having presented that, having reiterated anuvadam kritva, anudya means anuvadam kritva, dushayati, the defects are shown now. Shunyanche jagato hetur. That hetur, visarga will become refa, anj. शून्यंचे जगतो हेतुर जगदेव न सिद्ध्यति. घटशून्यः पटशून्यः इति कैः प्रतिपाद्यते. शून्यंचे जगतो हेतुर जगदेव न सिद्ध्यति. घटशून्यः पटशून्यः इति कैः प्रतिपाद्यते. जगतो हेतुः शून्यम चेत, if the cause of this creation was shunyam, jagadev na siddhyati. If karana is shunyam, karyam will be shunyam only. Jagadev na siddhyati. घट शून्य पट शून्य इति कैः प्रतिपाद्यते. घट इज शून्य पट इज शून्य मीन्स नॉर्मली व्हाट इज द प्रतिपादनम. घट सन पट सन, घटो अस्ति पटो अस्ति. सो घट सन पट सन, दिस इज हाउ द प्रतिपादनम इज. दिस इज हाउ वी एक्सप्रेस. नोबडी सेज घट शून्य पट शून्य इति कैः प्रतिपाद्यते. कस्मात् जगतो सिद्धि शून्य हेतुकत्व इत्यतः आह. So kasmat jagato asiddhi. You will have to put khandakar there. Huh? Jagato asiddhi. Shunya hetukatve iti atah ghata shunya. Why there is jagata asiddhi? How can you say jagat is asiddha? Shunya hetukatve iti atah ghata shunya iti. So if how do you say jagato asiddhi? Because if shunya is the karanam, then karyam also should be appearing, expressing as shunyam. Yad upadanakam hi yat karyam tattadatmana pratiyate upadiyate cha. It's a nice vakya. Yad upadana. Actually Purva Paksha had raised this in the beginning. They said everything is available as Parmanu. Therefore everything is made up of Parmanu only. Ghata is available as Mrittika, Pata is available as Tantu. So that is the Upadanam. This was what Purva Paksha had said. At that time we had already said everything is available as Sat. Therefore Sat is the Upadanam. So here it is given. Yad upadanakam hi yat karyam. Yat karyam hi yad upadanakam. Yad upadanakam yat upadanam yasya tat yad upadanakam. Tat tad atmana pratiyate. Then it is available or experienced as tat tad atmana. Ghataha घटकार्यम किम उपादानकम मृत उपादानकम तस्मात् मृदात्मना प्रतीयते. कुंडलम किम उपादानकम सुवर्ण उपादानकम तस्मात् सुवर्णात्मना प्रतीयते उपादीयते च. And that is how it is. Its upadanam means when I grasp also, it is grasped in that way only. It is, that is how I see, experience, that is how I grasp. यथा सुवर्ण उपादानकम कुंडलादि सुवर्णात्मना तथा शून्योपादानकत्वे जगतः शून्यात्मना एव व्यवहार प्रसज्येत न सदात्मना. तथा इन द सेम वे शून्योपादानकत्वे जगतः शून्यात्मना एव व्यवहार प्रसज्येत. सो दी शून्यम, इफ इट इज उपादानम, देन जगत वुड बी अवेलेबल एज शून्यात्मना एव व्यवहार प्रसज्येत न सदात्मना. इट वुड नॉट बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सत. सदात्मना एव तु व्यवह्रियते सर्वैः, एंड ऑल दे डू व्यवहार ऑल्सो विथ in the form of sadatma only, na shunyatmana. So everybody does vyavahar as asti asti, ghata asti, pustakam asti, prakoshtham asti, in this way. अकारण कार्योत्पत्त्योभ्युपगमे कार्यार्थिना उपादान प्रवृत्ति दर्शन विरोधात् अकारण कार्योत्पत्ति अभ्युपगमे, without a cause, because shunya means there is nothing. Akaran karya utpatti, if it takes place, abhyupagame, if you accept that, karyarthina upadana pravritti darshana virodhat, then for the one who wants to accomplish any karyam, whatever upadanam he takes, that pravritti has no meaning. Why? You want to make furniture, you make it from abhav, shunyam. You don't need raw material. You want to make dahi, you don't need milk. The milk is not needed for your curd. You just make it without anything. Particular upadanam is not required. Why? Because see, ghata abhava and pata abhava, or mrittika abhava and tantu abhava. What is the difference between the two abhava? So, according to us, there is no abhava. Abhava is not a padartha. This Shunyatmavadin, they'll say there is ghat, mrittika abhava here. There is tantu abhava here. Now, in Nyaya Vaisheshika, they will also say in the same way. We say, well, what is the difference between two abhava? Abhava is abhava. असत पूर्वकत्व कल्पनायाम असतः सदात्मतापत्तौ दृष्टांताभावात्. असत पूर्वकत्व कल्पनायाम, असत पूर्वकत्व कल्पना, any kalpana which is done with asat as the karanam. Asat is the first thing. Asat purvatva kalpanayam asatah sadatmata apattau drishtanta bhavat. And from that asat, some sat vastu comes. In that there is no drishtanta. असत पूर्वकत्व कल्पनायाम असतः, असतः इज पंचमी विभक्ति. असतः सदात्मता आपत्तौ. फ्रॉम असत एनीथिंग दैट इज सत, इन दैट देयर इज नो दृष्टांत. इसे देयर इज श्रुति, बट असतः सत जायेत. इसे अगेन इन श्रुति यू सी आफ्टर दैट कथम असतः सत जायेत. अर्लियर इट इज सेड असतः सत जायेत, देन कथम असतः सत जायेत. असद्वा इदमग्र आसीत् एकमेवा द्वितीयम, कथम असतः सज्जायेत इति. नाउ इन दैट इफ यू सी द नंबर कथम असतः सज्जायेत, व्हाट इज गिवन देयर? भा उपनिषद. इट शुड बी छा उपनिषद. हाँ, छांदोग्य, सम अदर नंबर इज गिवन. सो 622 इज करेक्ट, नेम इज डिफरेंट. इति Shruti nirasthatvacha. In this way, Shruti itself has done nirasa, that from asat vastu, sat vastu cannot come. Asat karanatva paksho na pramanikaihi adaraniya iti bhava. Asat karanatva vada, this should not be accepted by any pramanik people. They should not honor such things. And actually, this is Swami Maheshanand Giriji of Dakshinamurti Math. He says, after so many years also, this apramanika Buddhism still finds people in India who are, at least in other places it may be there because they don't have Shastriya Parampara, they don't have Vedanta, etc. But even in India, people want to follow such things. And those who can understand that Pramanika Vastu, how will they go for any such Kshanika Vijnana or this Shunyam? This Dalai Lama, he openly says that we are nihilist. And so many people will come and listen to him in the West. So I was there on stage with him in one place. There is so much following for him. And this, what is that place above Siddhabadi? Something which is their headquarter. Dalai Lama's headquarter is there. Dharmashala. So many people, all of them in the red gown, you know, the Buddhist clothes and all, they are there. So much. So, why would anybody, where Pramana is available in the form of Vedanta, Advaita, so much systematic thinking, why would anybody follow these things? So, Pramanikai na adaraniya. Those who are followers of Shastra Pramana ityadi, or even other logical thinking, this is so illogical. From asat something will come. Uktameva sarva vyavahar virodham prapanchayati. All vyavahar virodha is also explained now further. Naiva bhaseta shunyam chet jagannara vishanvat vastvarthi kimupadadhyat bharartah kim parityajet नैव भासेत शून्यं चेत जगन्नरविषाणवत् वस्त्वर्थी किमुपादद्यात् भारार्थः किं परित्यजेत. Shunyam chet jagat, if the world was shunyam, because shunyam is the upadanam, then naiva bhaseta, then it should not be experienced. Parantu bhasate eva, but it is experienced. It would become like Naravishanavat, which is shunyam, tuchham. Not only, so that would be one problem. Another problem would be vastvarthi kim upadadhyat. Anybody who is interested in anything, what would they take? Upadadhyat means what would they take? And bharartaha, bharena artaha, somebody who is burdened by lot of weight that they are carrying, kim parityaj, what would they reject? Why? It is shunyam only, what is there to give up? And there is nothing to take up. No hanam, no upadanam. Sarvam shunyam. So, सर्व व्यवहार विरोध. और यद्वा शून्य कारणकम जगदपि शून्यमेव अस्तु. शून्य कारणकम जगत, if कारण is शून्यम, then karyam also would become shunyam. Then they will come back. Wait. व्यवहारस्तु संवृत्ति मात्रेण भविष्यति इति आशंक्य पूर्वपक्षी does शंका. Vyavahar can continue with Samvriti Satya. What they call as Samvriti Satya is Vyavaharik Satya, what we call as Mithya or Brahma. So, Bhranti continues, even if, like how do we say Vyavaharik Satya is Mithya, but it continues. We also say Neha Nanasti Kinchana. He will ask, don't you say Neha Nanasti Kinchana? We say yes. Are there different things? Ghata, pata, ityadi? No, there are not many things. There is only one thing. Isn't your vyavahara going on? We say yes. We say in our philosophy also it can continue. They call it Samvriti Satya. Vyavaharastu Samvriti Matrena Bhavishyati iti ashankya. We say there is a difference. In your philosophy, Shunyam is the Adhishtanam, and you can't define Shunyam. Shunyam, which is the Adhishtanam, Shunyam cannot be defined. Whereas in our Darshana, Brahma is the Adhishtanam. And through Lakshana, you can explain Brahma. So, Shunyasya Nirupakhyatvat, that which is Shunyam, on that if there is a Brahma, Samvriti Satya, then that Samvrityapi na Vyavahara Siddhi. This is the Bheda. In Advaita Vedanta, Samvritya Vyavahara Siddhi is possible, because Sat Brahma is the Adhishthana. In Bauddha Mata, Shunyavada Mata, Samvritya Vyavahara Siddhi is not possible, because Nirupakhya Shunya is the Adhishtanam for them. Nirupakhya means that which itself, whose Akhyanam you cannot do. That which cannot be defined, that is called Nirupakhya. सो इति अभिप्रेत्याह नैव भास्यते इति। न हि नरविषाणं संवृत्त्यापि क्वचित् प्रतीयते इति भावः। Even due to Brahma, nobody will be able to see Naravishana or Shashavishana. Human beings' horns cannot be perceived even due to illusion, because there is no adhishthanam for it. Rajju, adhishthanam, when it is there, then you can see Sarpa. Without Rajju, where are you going to see Mithya Sarpa? न हि नरविषाणं संवृत्त्यापि क्वचित् प्रतीयते भाव। उपादान परित्यागयोः सिद्ध विषयत्वात् शून्य पक्षे किम उपादद्यात् किम वा परित्यजेत् इत्यर्थः। नाइदर देयर इज एनी पॉसिबिलिटी फॉर उपादानम मीन्स टू टेक समथिंग एंड परित्याग टू रिजेक्ट समथिंग। वाई उपादान परित्यागयोः सिद्ध विषयत्वात् शून्य पक्षे, इन शून्य पक्ष there is no विषय for उपादान और परित्याग। इन सामान्य व्यवहार you say something you are taking, something you are dropping. Can you say I am taking up lot of shunyam and now I am getting rid of lot of shunyam? So shunyam cannot be the vishaya for hana upadana. It has to have a siddha vishaya, a known existing entity. So kim upadadhyat kim va parityajet। व्यवहार्यवद व्यवहर्तुरपि अभावात् शून्यवादे व्यवहार अनुपपत्तिरित्याह। And just as व्यवहार्य is not there, व्यवहर्तु is also not there in शून्यवाद। व्यवहार्य means विषय, व्यवहर्तु is विषयी। हृ धातु is there for both। को विदद्यान्निषिध्येद्वा शून्यत्वात् स्वस्य चात्मनः अवसीदेन्निराकूतम् तस्मात् सर्वमिदं जगत्। को विदद्यान्निषिध्येद्वा शून्यत्वात् स्वस्य चात्मनः अवसीदेन्निराकूतं तस्मात् सर्वमिदं जगत्। को विदध्यान निषिध्येद्वा, who will do विदध्यान means who will do any विधानम, दध्यात वी उपसर्गपूर्वक दध्यात, and who will do निषेध means who will assert anything or who will negate anything, who will say vidhi, who will say nishedha. Why? Because vyavaharta is not there. There is no vyavahar karne wala, vyavahartu is not there. Ko vidadhyan, ko nishidhyed va shunyatvat sasya cha atmana. Everything is shunyam, atma is also shunyam. स्वस्य च आत्मनः शून्यत्वात्। अवसीदे निराकुतम, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? शून्यवाद दूषणम उपसंहरति अवसीदेत इति। शून्यवाद विल कल्मिनेट इन व्हाट? निराकुतम, निर्हेतुकम, देयर इज नो हेतु, मीन देयर इज नो कॉज फॉर एनीथिंग, हु इज doing what and nothing, everything is illogical. Then it is just like becoming another charvak. Iti nirakutam nirhetukam avasidet. So everything would end up in that. Tasmat sarvamidam jagat, therefore all this jagat would become nirhetukam. इदानीं पंचस्कंद संघात आत्मवादम निराकरोति। नाउ द पंचस्कंद संघात निराकरणम इज डन। स्कंधानां परमाणूनां न संघातयितास्ति चेत् संघातो न विना हेतुं जड़ा घटपटादयः स्कंदानां परमाणूनां न संघातयितास्ति चेत् संघातो न विना हेतुं जड़ा घटपटादयः. पंचस्कंदस, रूप स्कंद, विज्ञान स्कंद, संस्कार स्कंद, वेदना स्कंद इत्यादि what is given, and the parmanu of the four mahabhutas prithvi, jal, tej, vayu, if they do not have any sanghatayita na asti chet, संघातम विना हेतुम संघातः घटपटादयः जड़ाः. घटपट etc. which are jada and they do not have any sanghata, the sanghatayita, then sanghata itself will not happen. The things will not get assembled only if there is no assembler. They will, because they are all jada vastu. So sanghata siddhi will also not happen. सोयम प्रष्टव्यः स्कंधानां परमाणूनां संघातकर्ता कश्चिद अस्ति न वा. Is there any संघातकर्ता, संहर्ता of the skanda and paramanu? अस्ति न वा. अस्ति चेत स स्थिरः क्षणिको वा. So we asked them the question because they said Ishvara is not needed. Okay, is there any such thing? So they will say nothing is there. Asti chet, if there is it sthira or kshanika? Adye tava apasiddhanta. They will not say it is sthira because their siddhanta hani will take place. Their siddhanta is kshanika only. Shunyavad say there is nothing, other one will say at least there is kshanika. Dvitiye sanghata utpatti kshana संबंधिनः संघातयितृत्व अनुपपत्तिः. Sanghatayita is there for one kshana. Next kshana, next moment, let us say if he is able to create something in one kshana. Nobody can create anything in one moment. But even if he creates, he will not be there at that time. He is dead. Because his lifespan is eka kshana. So संघात उत्पत्ति क्षण असंबंधिनः संघातयितृत्व अनुपपत्तिः इति अभिप्रेत्य द्वितीयम् अनुद्य दूषयति. So his संघातयितृत्व itself will not work. अनुपपत्ति इति अभिप्रेत्य द्वितीयम् अनुद्य दूषयति न संघातयिता अस्ति चेदिति. न संघातयिता अस्ति चेदि अस्य दूषणम संघातो न विना हेतु. नो संघात इज पॉसिबल विदाउट हेतु. संहंतारम हेतुम विना न संघात सिद्ध्येत. विदाउट संहर्ता नो संघात सिद्धि विल टेक प्लेस. यतो घटपटादयः संहन्यमानाः पदार्थाः जडाः. सिंस दी संहन्यमान पदार्थ दे आर ऑल jada, so they cannot create any sanghata. Swayam eva samhanana asamarthaha ityarthaha. Up to this we'll see. So they all are incapable of creating sanghata. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति।